Hey guys, we got ourselves a 2021 Chevy Suburban, which is the same thing as the Tahoe. Okay, basically this truck comes with a factory alarm system, the remote start, the whole 9 yards, but it does not come with any type of impact sensor, so anybody can break the window and jump in and steal your stuff, or even plug in a laptop to your USB port and download the firmware of a key and even take off with your truck. So this way it stops anybody from banging on the window and busting out your window and jumping in. Basically what the shock does is integrates to the factory alarm system, so if anybody bangs on any of the windows, it will fire off the alarm, and we didn't have to install another alarm and have you carry another remote control around. But I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass. You'll see that it's going to fire off. If I had not done the installation, pretty much I can break the window, nothing will happen unless I open the doors, and nobody's going to do that. Everybody knows if their doors open, their factory alarm is going to set off. Okay, gives you the little countdown, and then it's just going to set off. Sorry about that, I was using the wrong remote. I was using the car Ford remote control for this Chevy. That's it, you hit the unlock and that will disable the factory alarm system. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. If you're out of state, give us a call and we can give you more info how to get this done in your hometown. We thank you for watching this video.